Great makeup doesn't have to be complicated. Daphne Voth Hoggan from Bodyography is here with more on how to go from fresh face to a summer night out. Daphne, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
I love makeup just as any other girl does. So tell us, right? So tell us a little bit about how we can kind of elevate those looks when it goes from kind of, you know, that day look into a night out.
Absolutely. So I love to start with the base.
Yes, okay.
So it's all about that song, it's all about the base. So I like to start with the Radiant Glow Primer.
Okay.
This is amazing because it has these beautiful pearlescent
oh, that's
sheen
stunning.
to it. So it's just going to give you the most radiant skin. It is also grippy, so if you want to put on a foundation, it's going to be like a suction cup. It's going to stay on all day, so we want that longevity as well. So it's going to have that little peekaboo. What's nice about this, and I already put it on her, is it blurs.
Okay.
So if you're like, I don't have time for makeup,
Yeah.
you can stop with this, and it's just going to give you that beautiful like sheen. And I love to add it onto like the
Just
neck,
bring it down to the neck, yeah.
and then don't forget the ears. So if you tuck your ears,
yes,
or you put your hair up, we don't want to forget, like someone might be taking your photo.
Right.
We just want to have that nice little highlight in there.
That's beautiful. Yes. Okay, and it even has that like that, yeah, that shimmer and like that glow within almost.
Yes, and it has skincare benefits as well. So niacinamide is one of those keywords. So it's going to work on tone and texture of our skin. The more you wear it, the more your skin is going to get better and better. That's
so beautiful. And I know that that's something that skincare and combining those two is so incredible. And speaking of kind of combining, you know, having that almost jack of all trade in your bag, what's some options here when it comes to elevating your look?
So I love this. So this is the lipstick palette.
Yes.
So what's great about this is it has 8 shades and it has a satin finish. It's very creamy. So again, it has that skincare benefits, but you can pop it into your pocket. You can throw it in your purse, and you can also multitask this as a blush as well.
That's amazing.
So I like to customize. So even though you have like those 8 shades, you can customize or you can layer. So I have like the nice rust shade on right now, but you can take just a little bit of like a lighter shade and just pop it into the middle of your lip.
For like that ombre look.
Just
I love
kind of
that
like
look
a little
too.
pop, and it just elevates it so much. And then you can just pop on that same thing. I want blush. And blush is very much inspired by the 90s, the 80s right now. So it gives you that beautiful like flushed.
Is this something that you recommend putting on with a finger or brush? Because I find I do with a brush or a sponge. I do too.
It's preference.
Yeah,
like there's no like makeup police that come to you and you're like, oh, that's the wrong way. It depends. Like if you don't have brushes, you want to make it simple, you can just use that brush and just blend it in. But because it's a cream, you can actually just use your fingers to really kind of just work it into the skin so nicely.
It's stunning.
So it blends really, really nicely.
And it really makes those cheeks pop.
Yes, and because blush is such a focal point right now, I love to just pull it up into the temples.
I love a good blush moment.
Smiling back at you.
Yeah, and it hits those rosy points, especially when you're outside, and it gives those natural, that glow.
It just kind of gives you that like natural, glowy, elevated look.
So we have a minute left. Let's talk about some eyeshadow looks, because this is kind of intimidating for some.
And it can be scary, but it's not. So these are the glitter pigments.
Okay.
I love these. I get called out for a drink last minute. What do? I don't have time for makeup. These are primer infused.
Oh, it's so
they're going to give you that little metallic, liquid feel to the eyes, and it is a one swipe wonder. So you just swipe it across the lid.
Oh, that's so easy.
And voila, you can go for drinks with the girlfriends and be done. And there's no fallout from the glitter. Because it's primer infused too, any age can wear these. Where typically sometimes we're told that we can't wear glitter at a certain age.
It's for all ages. Daphne, thank you so very much for your time this morning. And we'll have all those links so people can connect with you guys up on our website at chch.com/morninglive.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.